FinTech Space. So I believe as many that have been sending emails to people, to companies, to your business associates, to you've sent business proposals and the likes, and you actually do not get a feedback, or peradventure you got a feedback but the waiting time was so long that it caught you off it. But you actually want to know whether the email that you sent was actually received and opened by the recipients of that email. So this is actually what I will be taking you through in this video. So I just came across it, and I feel like it's also going to be of benefit to my subscribers on this channel, so that you also, whenever you send a cold email or you reach out to people, you actually want to know whether they opened the email or not. And that's actually going to give you a rest of mind that, okay, possibly you should be expecting a feedback, or you should just take your mind off it. Do you get? So these are some of the mails that I've sent previously, but there's no way I would actually know whether this email was actually received or was opened by the recipient. So, or maybe the recipient decided to ghost me or to ghost my email. But this that I actually want to show you will definitely help you to know when your emails has been received and opened by the recipient. All right, kindly sit back and let's get started. So now what you're going to do, you open your email on your laptop or your system, your PC. Open your email, and basically it works with Gmail for now. What I actually want to do, so if you are using Outlook, some other Yahoo mails and the likes, this might not actually work for you, but this is actually working 100% for people that are making use of Gmail. So you get that. So if you are using Gmail, so this video is actually for you. So once you've opened your email, now go to chromewebstore.google.com. So I'm going to drop the link in the video description, chromewebstore.google.com. Type it in and load the page. Come to where you have this search box, and then come to where you have this search box. So, and then type in mail tracker. So mail tracker. So now I actually have two. Alright, so now I have two results that actually comes through for me. So I have email tracker by mail track or mail tracker. So you can actually go with either of two. So let's check email tracker by mail track. So you have this, it's actually confirmed. So this publisher has a good record with no issue of violation. So that is one of the things for you to know, that it's actually been verified by Chrome Web Store. So it's actually good for you. And just as you have it, you have 3 million users and you have 11.6k rating. So that shows you that at least for 3 million people to be making use of it, and for you to have 11,600 plus reviews, it shows that people actually trust in the usage. And also MailSuit, it's also a verifiable company. It's a verifiable company. So if you also search for the other one, if you click on it, also you get to see mail 100,000 users, 5,100 plus ratings, and it's also confirmed also. So you can go with either of the two, but for the purpose of this video, I'm actually going to go with the previous one. So email tracker by mail track. So I'm going to click on get. I'm clicking on get. So add email tracker by mail track to your browser, and I'm using Microsoft Edge. So I'm clicking on add extension. So it automatically installs that for me. So I'm still waiting. So it's installing. Okay, installing already. Okay, it's still rolling. Once it's done, I will be notified. Okay, so right now email tracker by mail track is now installed. So you can click on view extension. So you now already have it in your extension. So now it's actually asking you to connect to Google. So you have to connect to your Gmail so that it will be able to track your email. So click on continue to Google. Alright, so choose an account that you actually want to connect it with. So I'm choosing my first one. So I'm waiting for it to sign me in. Alright, Google will allow me to access this info about you. Yeah, continue. Alright, just continue. Alright, so you've installed. So MailSuite services are trusted. So you can click on authorize MailSuite. So follow up with. Okay, it already has some access before. All right, so now I'm actually on the free plan. So that is actually what I need. Unlimited number of track emails, open status, double check marks, desktop notification, daily reports, mail suite branding, signature. So for this, if you want the advance, you can go for it and pay. So that will get you tracking details, number of opens, individual tracking for group emails, advanced alerts, and all of this. So if you actually need this, you can go for the plan. So but for me, I would actually stay with the free version, basic tracking for occasional use. So if you use it occasionally, I think the free version is okay for you. Now that you've done, so let's go reload your email. You are going to have this on your screen. So MailSuite, this is showing you that MailSuite is now installed. So to use MailSuite, just send emails like you normally do. So there's no special thing that you need to do. So now track engagement insights in real time. So get notification when your emails are open for the first time if you want that. When your email have not been opened in 24 hours, or when you receive no reply within 72 hours, you can decide to click on it. But I don't think I need it. Maybe I just. So once you click on save configuration, then you have this icon here added to your email. So just as you have beside Gemini, click on it. So you have all of these details right in here, just as you have it here. So you're actually on the free plan, and that I think is actually okay for you. So you can just try to compose an email. So if you click, you see mail suite settings. So this automatically means that this has been embedded in your email already. So any email that you send, you can actually track it whether you've actually sent it. Okay, let me just say test, sample test, sample email test. So just type in I just want to confirm. Just want to confirm you've opened this email. You opened this email. Just want to confirm on this, if you opened this email, or if you will open this email. So just try that. So let me just try to use this. Then just click on send. That's a sample email test. So now you can click on monitor reply. It's MailSuite will notify you after 72 hours if anything. So if you actually want to see, it's actually showing you that search for all messages the label. All right, so you're actually going to get a notification by 8:14. So it can remind you if there's no reply in 24 hours, or if it's 8 hours, or anything, just depending. So but I actually want to open this email to definitely see whether it's going to mark it for me. So I'm going to open the email and check it out. Okay, so you can definitely get to know whether your email was actually opened or not. So you can see it, just double check. So you can see here it's actually showing that the email has been opened from my hand. So that is just the way I found around how you can monitor whether your emails has been opened or seen. So you have a double check here that is showing that what your email has been opened already. So you can also click on see all tracking details if you're actually interested in seeing all of the other tracking details. So it's showing that one open, so it shows that I've actually opened by 8:14 p.m. So that is just it. That's just it. All right, guys, I'm going to end this video here. Kindly share with other people so that everyone can get to follow up with any emails that they sent. All right, guys, bye. See you next time.